Hi guys. Welcome to our channel. You might ask, how does AutoPanel know there are new WordPress orders? This video provides the answer. Adding a WordPress webhook will signal AutoPanel to process its orders. You don't have to install a plugin to enjoy this service, you only have to add a webhook on your WordPress to get started. See our previous video on how to integrate webhook on WordPress. Do you want to see a brief demo of how the orders are processed automatically? With this video, you can 1. Check if your automation is enabled as a seller. 2. Place an order on WordPress as a customer. 3. Receive delivery email as a customer. 4. Check your status on AutoPanel as a seller. 5. Check the account status on Reseller panel to see if the order was processed correctly as a seller. 6. If a customer wants to get a delivery email again, resend it in a single click. 7. Reconfirm the delivered email as a customer. If these are what you're looking for, keep watching the video to the end. There is nothing to do but check if the order was processed correctly. If you are happy with the first few transactions, you won't try to verify anymore. Before we start, please subscribe to this channel, like, and share this video. Back from the break? Let's see how to know when the admin approves your server. 1. Checking server approval and balance. Go to Dashboard. Scroll to the bottom right. Check credit balance. To verify your approval status, go to Settings. Click Servers. On the server panel, check under Approved. A tick indicates approval. Go ahead to check your balance and server approval status. 2. Placing and completing test order on WordPress. Type website URL. Click Quick View to choose product options. Choose a connection and month. Select the number of orders. Click Add to Cart. Hover at Cart. Select View Cart. Check price and quantity. Click Proceed to checkout. Enter billing details in the field. This includes name, residence address, and email. Click Place Order. Ensure to update payment options on WordPress. To do that, go to Settings under WooCommerce. Click Payment. Select Preferred Payment Options. Here's how to check order details. Go to Orders on the WP menu. Click the View Date icon to see order details. If I change the order status as completed here, then order status will be changed as completed. At the same time, the AutoIPTVPanel receives the signal for this update and process the order. As a result, customer will get delivery email automatically. In the next steps, we will be checking the changes made by the AutoIPTVPanel. 3. Checking customer email box. To see customer delivery emails, go to the email box. Open the received delivery email. Confirm username, password, and expiry date. For checking Stream Reseller panel for new account, open the Stream Reseller panel dashboard. Click Users. Type user's name on the search bar. Check user's details. Here, we confirmed that the AutoIPTVPanel generated new account correctly. 5. Checking AutoPanel for new transactions. Go to Dashboard. Check daily sales, monthly sales, yearly sales, upcoming sales, and credit balance. To find new orders, click Orders under History. On the History panel, check User Credentials. 6. Now you can review recent transactions and use a function to send an email in one click. Click the message icon to resend the order email. 7. Reconfirming delivery email. Go to Email Inbox. Open New Updates. Confirm delivery email. Don't dwell on manual order processing when there are automation options. Automate and streamline your IPTV business to focus more on the marketing part. When you're ready for integration, please join now. If you like this video, hit the subscription button and like this video. Thank you.